Hi everyone, don't forget to do warm-ups. So we have done some tongue twisters in the past for speech warm-ups and getting our vocals all ready. So here is another set of tongue twisters so we can read them together. So we read them slowly the first time, say them slowly, and then speed it up a second time. Here we go. Tongue twisters. Number 1. Should saucy shark seek shelter soon? Should saucy shark seek shelter soon? Okay. Number 2. A big black bug bit a big black bear, and the big black bear bled blood. All right, now double time. A big black bug bit a big black bear, and the big black bear bled blood. All right, number 3. Any noise and oyster, but and noisy noise and oyster most. Now remember, really enunciate to get through these. So let's speed it up a second time. Any noise and oyster, but and noisy noise and oyster most. Number 4, lots of S sounds here. Sick, hicks, nick, slick bricks with picks and sticks. All right, number 4, speed it up. Sick, hicks, nick, slick bricks and picks and sticks. Number 5, last one. Take a deep breath slowly. If you can any candy can. How many candy cans can a candy canner can if she can candy cans? Right, double time. Here we go, deep breath. If you can any candy can, how many candy cans can a candy canner can if she can candy cans? All right, well done.